Make your hair grow in just 1 week. Strong, big and healthy hair using just 3 ingredients. If your hair is weak and brittle, this video is for you. It is a homemade recipe that is conquering thousands of women all over the world. My hair stopped falling out when I discovered this secret. Before revealing this secret to you, tell me here in the comments from which city you are watching this video. It is an honor to know where each of you speak from. If your hair is weak and having a hard time growing, watch this video until the end, because it will help you. We will first need 1 aloe vera. If you don't have it at home, it is found in many fairs. We will need to remove the aloe vera gel. The nutrients found in aloe vera deeply cleanse the scalp. Aloe vera helps in the production of collagen and, therefore, helps to better fix the hair strands on the scalp. In addition, because it has minerals and water, it strengthens the entire thread, making it stronger and less brittle. I will add all the gel in the blender. Then I will also add 3 tablespoons of any brand of hydration. So, just leave it beating well. After blending, I will transfer it to a container. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar will work as a powerful hair exfoliator. For this reason, it promotes shinier and more aligned wires, with less frizz. If you have very porous hair, try adding sugar to all your moisturizers. He is powerful for the wires. And the combination of aloe and sugar will give you extremely strong hair. You will apply it to the hair strand by strand, from the root to the ends. Then tie your hair and put on a plastic cap. Let it act for 20 minutes. After that, just wash normally with shampoo and conditioner. Do this 2 times a week and your hair will no longer fall out. And the result you will see in the first week of use. Guys, I would like to share a message that is in Isaiah 41:10, so do not fear, for I am with you, do not be afraid, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you, I will hold him with my victorious right hand. No matter how big your fear or your problem, God promises us several times that we would never be alone in any of the situations we live. Remember this and smile confidently that He is helping you and saving you from